Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a gaming thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you are a new creator on YouTube and don't know how to make a thumbnail for your gaming channel, then this video is especially for you. As you know, your YouTube thumbnail plays a vital role in attracting views and increasing your watch time. In just a few minutes, without wasting time or having to learn complex tools, you can easily customize professionally designed, pre-made templates to create professional-looking YouTube thumbnails. The site you'll use is Canva. Visit canva.com, create an account, and after signing up with Google, you'll see this interface. Here in the search bar, type Gaming Thumbnail, and you will see how impressive their thumbnails are, ranging from simple to professional and even aesthetic styles. Just scroll through, choose whichever design you like, and customize that thumbnail to suit your needs. Some are paid templates, but don't worry, there are also lots of free options available. Simply explore and pick the one that best fits your expectations or requirements, then customize it. I will go with this one since it's free and there are many more options. Go to the Customize this template option, and now you have full access to modify whatever you want. For example, if you want to change the text, just double-click on the text and simply edit it. If you want to change the font, go to the fonts and choose whichever font you prefer. To change the color, select Text Color and pick whichever color you like. This is the italic option, and to underline, simply click on it. There's also a strike-through for your information. Here is the sentence alignment option, and you can make bullet points like this. If you want to adjust your line spacing or letter spacing, you can do so. If you want to decrease or increase transparency, the option is there, as well as features like animate and position. So feel free to try out everything. If you want to replace the template images, go to the Upload section and upload from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. For example, I will go with this one. Just drag it to the image space you want to replace. Like this, you can double-click to reposition your image and move it wherever you want. To change the background or add your own, simply upload it from your computer and just drag it like this. Then send it to the back. This way, you can add your own background. If you want to use backgrounds from Canva's library, go to the Elements, go to the Software, and type in Gaming Background, like this, and you'll find plenty of images and photos. Maybe I'll go with this one, but there are lots of options. I'll choose this one. Just drag it and send it to the back layer. Go to a bit, like this. You can modify whatever you like. Add your own text, images, branding colors, logos, everything. Once you're done with your image or thumbnail, please review it to make sure there are no mistakes in the design. To export it, go to the Share option. Then go to the Download section. Since it's a thumbnail, it should be in PNG format. But if you want it in another format, like JPG or PDF, that's available too. Just download it, and you're all set to upload your thumbnail for your gaming YouTube videos. This way, you can create a professional-looking thumbnail within a few minutes in Canva, either from scratch or by modifying pre-made templates.